So this was the JCB that the gang used to ram raid the diamond, which was the most expensive diamond ever to be exhibited at the Millennium Dome in the year 2000. The gang stole the machine off a building site and made modifications to it, like removing the dipper off the back of the machine. They took the rear controls out so they could have more of the gang members inside the cab. They also made modifications to the front shovel by cutting 3 large holes out of the front shovel. So when the loader arms were lifted, the operator could see police and he was knocking the fence down. A lot of people, when they look at the machine, they see a large, what looks like a bullet hole in the front windscreen. It's not actually a bullet hole. No firearms were used by the police to stop the gang. It's actually when they hit the security fence, the exhaust was bent over and hit the windscreen, and it actually melted the glass because the engine was running for so long when the gang were arrested.